Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to connect Notion to Google Drive in 2025. If you follow along, by the end of this video, you'll know how to link these two powerful tools together so you can seamlessly access your files, collaborate, and supercharge your workflow. Let's jump right in. First off, let's open up Notion and head over to your account settings. This is where you'll manage all of your integrations and connections, so it's the essential starting point. If you're new to navigating Notion's settings, just look for your profile icon or your workspace name in the top left corner. Give that a click and find Settings in the dropdown. Take your time here. Settings can look a little different depending on your version, but you want to make sure you're editing the right workspace. Within your settings, the next destination is the Connections section. This is Notion's dedicated area for linking up other services and apps, so anything you want to sync or automate will happen here. Think of it as a big control panel for all your integrations. Give that a click and let the page load. Sometimes it's tucked away under another menu, so don't worry if it takes a second to find. Now, under Connections, look for something labeled Notion AI Connectors. This might sound a bit technical, but it's just Notion's way of grouping its smart integrations together. Here's where you'll be able to connect Notion to various external tools, including Google Drive. If you're scanning through the list, you'll see icons for a few different apps. Go ahead and click on Google when you see it. At this point, Notion will prompt you with the option to connect to Google Drive. This is where the magic happens, and once you link your account, all your Drive files and folders will be integrated into Notion. You'll be able to create pages that reference your files or quickly pull things in as attachments for notes, projects, or even team collaboration. It's almost like opening a new doorway between your two favorite workspaces. But before you click through, there's one important detail. In 2025, these advanced connectors, especially the Google Drive integration, require you to upgrade to Notion's business plan. This isn't ideal if you're just testing things out, but if you're collaborating with a team or want access to advanced features, it's a solid investment. The business plan gives you high-priority access to these integrations, plus improved security and administrative controls. If you see the upgrade prompt and you're not already on the business tier, Notion will walk you through updating your subscription right there. Don't worry if this takes a few moments or if you want to think it over before committing. Notion makes it easy to come back and finish the connection later. Once your plan is upgraded, you can return to the Google connector and finish linking your account. Follow the prompts to sign into your Google Drive and grant Notion permission to access your files. That's all there is to it. After a few moments, you'll start seeing your Drive files appear in Notion, ready to be organized into your dashboards or shared with teammates. And that's the complete process for connecting Notion to Google Drive in 2025. Nothing too complicated, but a few steps to get it set up right. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, drop any questions or feedback in the comments, and subscribe to my channel for more hands-on tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!